We're moving to a proactive world where we're able to tell when you're getting closer to your limits, you're consuming actively with us. And so once we notice that, we'll start to automatically increase you up.
Chris, when a customer decides on the model that they want, they know what they want to use, they have to decide how much they're going to use. That's always the tokens, right? That's the universal exchange. The customer decides around how many tokens per minute they need in a certain amount, and they need to request quota proactively. How's Foundry helping the customer handle that?
Yeah, we're on a quest to essentially remove that from your decision-making process until you have to.
Good.
And so we make it really easy to get started, and you're just starting to consume the models without having to think about config and setup. Once you get into code and you're starting to program and you're starting to use a lot more tokens, you're going to hit limits. There's limits in the consumption rate that you can go on. And what we've done here is we've made it so that you have a set amount of throughput that you're able to get within your subscription for a model. And that might be in the global standard offering. And then every time you're using a deployment or you're just calling the model, you're going to be consuming from that. This has a lot of customer benefits towards where we've been in the past, where now it's one value instead of being split up regionally. And if you are using it in one location but not the other, you don't have to worry about that fragmentation. You have one global value that you're deducting from for all of your applications. It makes management a lot simpler. It makes it easier for you to know what's happening. So we're moving to a proactive world where we're able to tell when you're getting closer to your limits, you're consuming actively with us. And so once we notice that, we'll start to automatically increase you up, what we call tiers. So we offer 6 different tiers within the service, from tier 1, which has a small amount of throughput, all the way up to tier 6, which should never be an issue of throughput except for our largest customers. And we will start to proactively increase and email you, moving you up and giving you additional throughput without you having to even think about going and requesting.
That actually sounds really useful and proactive. The customer can actually see when they're reaching a limit, and you're anticipating that for them on their behalf, so there's not decision-making required in that side.
Yeah.
That's really great.
Yeah, I'm really excited about it.